Yes, Ms. Scott, please, my lord. Ma'am, just go back on page 114 of 184.
Yes.
More especially at 1652 on the 27th of October 2014.
$16.
652, my apologies, 652, 0652.
Got that?
Yes. The duration of that internet session as well as the volume in bytes. How can you explain it in simple terms?
In simple terms, there was activity on the internet during this period. Therefore, we have a number of volume bytes. And we also have a duration which shows that there was a connection or transmission took place.
Ngesikhathi sika 652 kuyabonakala ukuthi kunevolume ephezulu nesikhathi eside ukukhombisayo ukuthi hayi bekukhona ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukungena axhumane ne-internet.
Okay. How do you then classify such as an activity? Was it someone who was constantly on the internet, or what is the position?
Yes, as we've indicated, GPRS data is internet usage. If you also look at the APN, it identifies internet. So yes, they were on the internet during this period.
Athi yagcizelela ukuthi yebo bebeku internet ngalesi sikhathi lesi.
Okay. And then are you able to classify the usage of the internet?
In terms of classifying, I'm not with you.
Was it low, medium, high usage?
Well, I cannot say specifically whether it was low, medium, or high, but I can say, due to the volume, there was a period of either downloads or uploads whilst on the internet.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukuchaza kahle ukuthi bekunhloboni yokusebenzisa internet kodwa ke ngoba ke kuyabonakala ukuthi kuningi okwakwenzeka ngalapha masikhuluma ngevolume ukuthi kuningi kuyakhombisa ukuthi ngempela ke lo muntu lo khokho mhlambe waye downloada noma uploada izinto eziningi ku internet.
Now let's go back to the email data. On page 11. The two transactions before the SMS on the 26th of October at around 2032. No, after the SMS.
That would be the 27th.
No, my apologies, before.
That would be the 26th at 2026 and 2027. Is that what you're referring to?
Yes.
Okay. So at 2026, 59 seconds, the number ending 8169 called the number ending 8383 That call lasted 14 seconds. And the tower that was picked up there was Goud Street.
Kuthiwa ke ngomhla 26 isikhathi ngo-2026 59 le namba igcina ngo-8169 yashayela ucingo kule namba ethi 8383 bahlala imizuzwana eyi-14 kusetshenziswa ke le tower ekuthiwa yi-Goud Street.
The activity thereafter was at 20:27, 44 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383. That lasted 72 seconds, and the area or tower picked up was still Goud Street.
Can I get the time in seconds?
20:27, 44 seconds.
So isikhathi esika-2027 and 48 and 44 seconds le number ku-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana ama-72 kusetshenziswa itower i-Goud Street.
Okay. And then at 1941 and 12 seconds.
1941, 12 seconds. It was a MTC. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383, and that call lasted 15 seconds. And the tower there was Moy Street.
Kuthiwa ke ngesikhathi sika-1941 and 12 seconds kwaba khona ucingo olingenayo kule number u-8169 luvela kule number 8383 bahlala imizuzwana eyi-15 kuwukuthi ke itower ke esetshenziswayo i-Moy Street.
And the two calls below that one from the number ending 5387.
That was at, still on the 26th, at 20:08:47, an outgoing call from the number ending 8169 to the number ending 5387. Goud Street was picked up.
So ngayo kumhla 26 ngesikhathi sika-20:08:47 kwakukhona ke i-call evela kule number egcina ngo-8169 iya kule number ethi 5387 kusetshenziswa ke i-Goud Street.
That call lasted 58 seconds.
Lolo cingo ke lwahlala imizuzwana eyi-58.
Thereafter, 2016, 19 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5387. That lasted 165 seconds, and that was in the vicinity of Goud Street again.
Ngesikhathi esa-2016 19 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ethi 5387 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-165 lapho ke babeqhumana ngele tower ekuthiwa yi-Goud Street.
Thank you. Now let's move to page 43 of the AIMA data.
Page 43.
Call at 10:08:08.
On the 29th of November 2014, at 10:08:08, the number ending 8169 received a call which lasted 75 seconds from the number ending 9202. The tower picked up there was Pumula.
Mhla 29 kuNovember 2014 ngesikhathi ka-10:08 inanamba ke egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number eyi-9202 and bahlala ke ocingweni imizuzwana eyi-75 and ithawa ke esetshenziswa lapho kwakuphumula.
Now, as per Annexa DD 5B, page 2, paragraph 7, this document is an extract. Can you identify that number?
That number belongs to Fisokule Ntuli.
Leyo number ke umnini wayo uFisokuhle Ntuli.
Again on that page, number at 29 November 2014, 12:28:41.
At that time, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 123 seconds, and the tower picked up was Ngoza.
So ngomhla 29 November ngesikhathi ka-12:28:41 le number ke 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-123 futhi ke lapho kwakusetshenziswa ithawa ingoza.
Okay. And then the 30th of November 2014, around 6:23.
30th of November is on page 44.
Yes.
30th November at 6:23:25. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 70 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngomhla ka-30 kuNovember 2014 isikhathi wa-06:23:25 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana elingana amashumi 7 and futhi ke kwakusetshenziswa le tower ekuthiwa iMoy Street.
And then as per exhibit DD5B, that number is associated to
That number reflects on Fisokule Ntuli's name.
Leyo number ke ivela njenge kaFisokuhle Ntuli.
and they're still on the same date on page 44, 30 November 2014 at 8:45.
At 8:45:03 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 40 seconds from the number ending 7007, and it reflects the Tower of Moy Street.
Tshwakele ngesikhathi kasika 08:45 and 03 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 olwalasta imizuzwana yamashumi amane and kusetshenziswa itower le kuthiwa iMoy Street.
And then the identification of that number is per exhibit DD5B.
Fiso Kule Ntuli.
Leyo number kuthiwa ikafiso kuhle Ntuli.
And then on the 30th of November 2014, 1947 and 86 MTC.
That would reflect on page 45
Or page 45, my apologies.
at 1947-36. The MTC was received by the number ending 8169. It lasted 50 seconds, and it came from the number ending 7007. And the tower picked up was Bosele.
Kuthiwa ngomhla 30 November ngesikhathi sika 1947 36 seconds le number igcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku le number igcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amahlanu ithawa kabebeyisebenzisa lapho ubusile.
And then let's move to page 46 on the AMA data. 1st December 2014, around 9:33.
At 9:33:26 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 51 seconds, and the tower picked up there was House Street.
Ngomhla wa-1 kuDisemba le number egcina ngo-8169 isikhathi kwaku-09:33:26 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ye-7007 abahlala khona ocingweni imizuzwana eyamashumi amahlanu nanye ithawa ke esetshenziswa ku-Holt Street.
And then the next call at 9:34:46.
That was an incoming call to 8169, lasted 181 seconds, and the number that called 8169 was 7007, and the tower picked up was Commissioner Street.
Kuthiwa ke ngesikhathi sika 9:34:36 seconds le number igcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number e-7007 bahlala imizuzwana eyikhulu amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nanye ithawa ke yaxhumana ngayo kwaku-Commissioner Street.
And then the identification of the number as per exhibit DD5B.
Fisokule Ntuli.
Kuthiwa ke le number ke kwake ekafiso kuhle Ntuli.
And then on the 1st of December 2014, 14:20, 22.
The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 240 seconds, and the area picked up was Kensington.
Kuthiwa ke I didn't get the time.
14, 20, 22 seconds.
14, 20 and 22. Thank you. Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika 14, 20 no 20 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana yikhulu amakhulu amabili namashumi amane ithawa ke baxhumanisa kwakuyi-Kensington.
Still on page 46, on the 1st of December at 18:18.
At 18:12 seconds, The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 43 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
We try again. Skaska 1818, 12 seconds. The number 8169. Yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007. Lapho bahlala khona ke ucingweni imizuzwana eyamashumi amane nantathu ukuthi basetshenziswa le tower ekuthiwa yi-Kensington.
And the next call?
Thereafter, at 18:20, 16 seconds, another call was received by 8169. It lasted 4 seconds from the number ending 7007, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
We try in Skaska 1826, 16 seconds. The number 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007. Bahlala khona imizuzu emine kuphela kusetshenziswa itower kwiKensington.
Thereafter?
The next entry is at 18:20, 40 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 38 seconds, and Kensington was picked up again.
So in Skaska 1820, 40 seconds. The number 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007. Bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalombili. Kwakusetshenziswa itower iKensington.
Then on page 47 at 1726, 42.
On the 2nd of December 2014, the number ending 8169 received a call at 17:26:42. It lasted 89 seconds from the number ending 5787, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
So ngomhla 2 kuDisemba ngesikhathi sika 1726:42 the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 5787. Bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesishiyagalolunye kuwukuthi kusetshenziswa le tower iKensington.
Can you identify the number as per exhibit DD5B?
This belongs to Fisekule Ntuli.
So ke umnino le number ke ufisa kuhle Ntuli.
Page 49. The last transaction on page 49. It's 3 December 2014 at 18:25.
$18.25.
And 12
Do not-
MTC. 3 December 3/12/2014.
3 December 2014 at 18.
25.
That's on page 48, not 49. 1825 at, my apologies, 3rd December 2014, 1825, 12 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 605 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
So ngomhla 3 kuDisemba isikhathi kwaku-1825 and 12 seconds. Lapho ke le number u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787. Bahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu ayisithupha nanhlanu. Lapho ke babesebenzisa itower iKensington.
And then on Page 52. 6 December 2014 at 12:37 and 46.
December
Yes,
at 12:37:46.
correct.
That entry is on page 53. The
Yes.
time is 12:37:46 seconds. The number ending in 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 39 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwaduma, KZN.
Mhla 6 kuDisemba, isikhathi yas 12:37:46 second. Le number ku-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amathathu nesishiyagalolunye kukuthi ithawa baxhumanisayo ithawa ekuthiwa yiKwaduma.
Just want to correct, the page number is page 53.
Page 53,
That's
yes.
correct. And then 8 December 2014 around 0810.
Repeat that date for me, please.
8 December 2014.
8 December.
It's page 55.
Eight 10:01 seconds. Number ending 8169 received a call from number ending 7007. It lasted 36 seconds, and Kensington was picked up.
Njalo mhla 8 kuDisemba 2014 isikhathi ka 8:10:01 second. The number ku-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi amathathu nesithupha bexhunyaniswa ile tower kuthiwa Kensington.
And thereafter,
The next entry is at 8:11:09 seconds. 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 86 seconds, and Kensington was picked up.
Kuthiwa ngesikhathi sika 8:11:09 second. The number ke u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 and bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nesithupha futhi ke bexhunyaniswa ile tower ekuthiwa yiKensington.
and then on the 8th of December 2014 around 1754. Yes. Page 56.
During that time, 17:54:37 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 28 seconds, and Kensington was picked up.
So mhla 8 December 2014 isikhathi ka 1754 sorry and 37 second. Le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili bexhunyaniswa itower iKensington.
And on the 9th of December 2014 around 7:27.
At 7:27:13 seconds, 8169 received a call from 7007, which lasted 44 seconds, and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
Mhla 9 December 2014 isikhathi u-072713 le number ekuthiwa egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala imizuzwana eyama-44 besebenzisa itower iBelgravia.
13 December 2014, around 11:10. That's on page 61.
December, roundabout. Time
11:10.
11:10. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 8 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngomhla ka-13 December, isikhathi sika-11:10, ifoni egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili besebenzisa itower iMoy Street.
Just to go back a little bit, on page 59, 11 December 2014, I skipped one call at 8:19.
Repeat that time, please.
8:08:19 and 48.
0819. Was that which date?
11 December 2014.
11. December 2014, 08:19:48. There was a call that 8169 received from the number ending 5787. It lasted 250 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngomhla 11 December 2014, isikhathi sika 08:19 and 48 seconds. Le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana engama-250 kusetshenziswa itower uMoy Street.
Page 62, 13 December 2014 at 17:31 and 06.
(17:31:06). There was an outgoing call from the number 8169. It lasted 29 seconds, and it was made to the number ending 5787, and the tower picked up was Vosloorus North.
Ngomhla 13 December, isikhathi wa-17:31:06 seconds. Le number yo-8169 yashaya ucingo ilishayela kule number u-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana ama-29 isetshenziswa itower uVosloorus.
Page 63, 14 December 2014, 12:17 and 58 MTC.
At this time, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 50 seconds, and the tower picked up was Nongoma Town.
Ngomhla 14 December, ngesikhathi sika-14:27, le number 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana engama-50 itower-ke eyayibaqhumanisa eNongoma.
page 64, the first call at 14:17, 14 December, 14:17.
At 14:17:21, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169. It lasted 23 seconds and it was made to the number ending 5787. And the tower picked up was KwaMateni.
So ngomhla 14 December isikhathi ka 14:17 21 second the number 8116 egcina ngo-8169 yashayela in the number egcina ngo-5787 ucingo bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nantathu kusetshenziswa ithawa ekuthiwa yiKwaMateni.
14 December 2014, around 18:56 and 13.
1856:13, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 47 seconds and KwaMateni was picked up.
Ngayo mhla 14 December isikhathi ko-1856 13 second le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ewu-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana yamashumi amane nesikhombisa kuwukuthi basebenzisa le thawa kuthiwa yiKwaMateni.
And on the same day, 14 December 2014, at 20:32:54, the activities there.
20:32:54 seconds, there was an outgoing call from the number ending 8169. It lasted 13 seconds and it was made to the number ending 8383. And the tower picked up, I'm sorry I can't pronounce it. I'm just going to give it a try. Nongongwane.
Ngomhla ka-30 ngomhla ka-14 ngesikhathi sika 20:32:54 le number ke egcina ngo-8169 yafonela nenumber egcina ngo-8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nantathu ithawa ke bayisebenzisa kwaNgqongwane.
And the next activity,
Thereafter, it was at 20:34:13, an outgoing call from the number ending 8169, lasted 31 seconds, to the number 8383, and the same tower Kongwani was
Many
picked
seconds?
up. 31 seconds.
So ke ngesikhathi sika 20:34:13 seconds the number ke egcina ngo-8169 yafonela the number u-8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nanye kusetshenziswa yona le tower ukwaNgqongwane.
and thereafter.
Thereafter, at 20:35, there was an outgoing call
Ngesikhathi ke sika 20:35
that lasted 9 seconds to 8383, and that tower Kongwani was picked up.
kuthiwa ke ngesikhathi sika 20:35 kube nekhole ke eya kule number 8383 and eyalasta ke imizuzwana eyisishagalolunye kusetshenziswa yona le tower kuthiwa kwaNgqongwane.
Thereafter, at 20:35:31, another outgoing call from 8169 to 8383 lasted 3 seconds, and the same tower Kongwani was picked up.
So go skati eska 20, 35 and 31 seconds. The phone egcina ngo 8169 ya fonela the number 8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana emithathu kuphela usasetshenziswa ke yona le thawa kuthiwa kwaNgqongwane.
And then the transaction thereafter.
Thereafter, 20:35:52 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 49 seconds from the number 8383, and Kongwani was picked up.
So ngesikhathi sika 20:35:52 the number go 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 8383 bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi amane neshagalolunye kusetshenziswa le thawa kwaNgqongwane.
Thank you. Ma'am, is this the same number that transacted with the number ending with 169 on the 26th of October before the last transaction, which is the SMS?
That is correct, yes.
So yona le number eyakhuluma nele number 169 ngomhla ka 26/11 kunga emva ukuthi kube ne SMS.
Yes. Let's proceed. 14 December 2014, 21, 22.
Twenty-one, 22, 52 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 7 seconds from the number 8383 with the Kongwani Tower picked up.
Mhla 14 December isikhathi 21, 22 and 52 seconds. The number 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 8383 bahlala khona imizuzwana esikhombisa kuphela kusetshenziswa yona le thawa kwaNgqongwane.
Then 14 December 2014, 21, 47, 41.
The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383, which lasted 44 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangowani.
So mhla 14 December isikhathi 21:47 the number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 8383 bahlala ke imizuzu engamashumi amane nane kusetshenziswa ke le thawa ekuthiwa kwaNgqongwane.
And thereafter?
Thereafter, the next entry was at 21:48:44 seconds, an outgoing call from 8169 to the number 8383, and Kwangowani was picked up.
How many seconds?
That was 2 seconds.
So ke ngayo mhla 14 December isikhathi 21:44 seconds leyo number ke egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo futhi oluvela kule number egcina ngo 8383 yahlala ke imizuzwana emibili kuphela kuyo le thawa le yakwaNgqongwane.
Thereafter, at 21:49:23 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 8383. That call lasted 556 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangowani.
So ke ngalolo suku kamhla 14 kuDecember isikhathi kwa 21:49 and 23 seconds le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 8383 bahlala ke imizuzu emakhulu amahlanu namashumi amahlanu nesithupha Itower ke esetshenziswa lapho kwangqongwane.
15 December 2014, 0707 MTC.
That transaction on the 15th of December, 8169 received a call that lasted 68 seconds from the number ending 7007, and the tower picked up there was Kwangongwani.
So on 15 December isikhathi kwa 0707 the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kune number ethi egcina 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha nesishiyagalombili ithawa ke yasetshenziswa kwangqongwane.
Then let's proceed to the 17th of December. No, 18 December.
18 December, what time?
12:35.
That is on page 70.
Yes.
At 12:35:48, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 1239. That call lasted 75 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
Ngomhla 18 December isikhathi ngo 12:35:48 the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa nanhlanu kusetshenziswa ke le tower yakwangqongwane.
Then let's refer to Exhibit DD 5B, page 2, paragraph 7. The last entry, paragraph 7.
Yes.
What does it say?
That number belongs to Fisokule Ntuli.
So leyo number ke ekaFisokuhle Ntuli.
On page 71, 19 December 2014, 6:20.
At 6:20, 19 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 99 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
Mhla 19 December isikhathi u-6/2019 isikhathi u-8169 isikhathi u-06/2019 le foni u-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana ewu-99 bexhumana ngethawa yakwangqongwane.
Page 75, 21 December 2014, 15:30.
Please repeat the page number.
Page 75.
75. 15:30, 50 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 128 seconds, and Kwamadeni was picked up as the tower.
ngomhla 21 kuDisemba isikhathi 15:30 ifoni le egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule foni egcina ngo-8007 bahlala imizuzwana eyi-128 lapho-ke babesenzisa ithawa ekuthiwa ikwamadeni.
23 December 2014, 0617. On page 77.
Zero 6:17 57 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. That call lasted 75 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
So-ke ngomhla 23 kuDisemba isikhathi wa-061757 le nombala egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787 lapho bahlala khona imizuzwana eyishumi imizuzwana amashumi ithawa-ke esetshenziswa lapho kwaNgqongwane.
Still on page 77, 23 December 2014, 11:51.
11:51 19 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 41 seconds, and the tower picked up there was Vryheid, SADF.
So-ke ngomhla 23 kuDisemba isikhathi ko-11:51 and 19 seconds le number-ke igcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kunumber ekuthiwa 5787 le igcina ngo-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana engamashumi 41 lapho-ke kwakusetshenziswa le tower ekuthiwa i-Vryheid, SADF.
Still on page 77, 23 December 13:27.
At 13:27:52 seconds, 8169 received a call from 5787. It lasted 51 seconds, and the tower picked up was still Vryheid, SADF.
So ngayo ngomhla 23 kuDisemba isikhathi wa-13:27:52 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo eluvela ku-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyama-51 ithawa esetshenziswa kwakuyi-Vryheid, SADF.
And the next call thereafter.
Thereafter, the next activity, still for the 23rd of December 2014, at 13:35 44 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 34 seconds from the number ending 5787, and Vryheid, SADF was still picked up.
So isikhathi esa-13:35 ne-44 seconds ngomhla 23 kuDisemba le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana yama-34 kusetshenziswa yona le tower i-Vryheid, SADF.
On page 82, 17:25, 27 December 2014.
(17:25:30 seconds). The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 133 seconds. And the tower picked up was it's Shudu.
Please write it down. I can't see it.
ITSHODO. ITHTODO.
Ngomhla 27 uDisemba ngesikhathi 17:25 30 seconds the number egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amathathu nantathu ithiwa-ke itshoto.
December 2014, 1935 on page 83.
(1935), 20 seconds. 8169 received a call that lasted 79 seconds from the number ending 7007, and that tower of Kwangongwani was picked up.
Ngomhla 28 December ngesikhathi ka-1935 20 seconds the number egcina ngo-8169 yathola-ke ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisikhombisa nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa-ke le tower ekuthiwa yikwangqongwane.
January 2015 at 13:33 on page 87.
On the 1st of January 2015 at 13:33:39 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 5787. It lasted 69 seconds, and the tower was Kwangongwani.
Ngomhla 5 January 2015 isikhathi ngo-13:33 and 39 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787 bahlala-ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha neshagalolunye ocingweni beqhumana-ke ngale tower ekuthiwa yikwangqongwane.
On page 90, 5 January 2015 at 7:53.
(7:53) on the 5th of January, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 1239, lasted 53 seconds, and Kwangongwani was picked up.
Isikhathi sika-7:53 ngomhla 1st December 1st January 2015 le number egcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-1239 bahlala imizuzwana yamashumi amahlanu nantathu kukuthi-ke basebenzisa-ke le tower ekuthiwa yikwangqongwane.
On page 91, 5 January 2015 at 15:42.
At 15:42:43 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 1239. It lasted 64 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kwangongwani.
So ngomhla 5 kuJanuary ngesikhathi ka-15:42 43 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi ayisithupha nane kusetshenziswa le tower yakwaNgqongwane.
Page 98, 11 January 2015, 16:30.
(16:30, 28 seconds? Is that the one you're referring to?
Yes.
11 January 2015, 16:30, 28 seconds, 8169, received a call that lasted 64 seconds from the number ending 5787, and that tower that was picked up was Delville.
So ngomhla 11 kuJanuary 2015 isikhathi ngo-16:30 28 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-5787 bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi ayisithupha nane kusetshenziswa itower ekuthiwa iDelville.
Page 99, 13 January 2015, 7:22.
At 7:22, 28 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. That call lasted 32 seconds, and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
So ngomhla 13 kuJanuary 2015 isikhathi 07:22:28 le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala imizuzwana yamashumi amathathu nambili itower yayisetshenziswa kwakuyi-Moy Street.
And the next call or the next activity thereafter?
That was at 7:23, 32 seconds. 8169 called the number 7007. And
The time?
7:23:32.
Thank you.
That looks to be a 0. And the tower that was picked up was Moy Street.
So ke ngomhla 13 January 2015 isikhathi sika-7:23 and 32 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yafonela le number egcina ngo-7007 kubonakala sengathi ke abakwazanga ukukhuluma ngoba imizuzu ebekiwe lapha u-0 kodwa kusetshenziswa itower uMoy Street.
Can you elaborate more on this call MOC 0? What can it signify?
Chaza ukuthini u-MOC 0?
It's the first time I see a MOC with a 0. I can only assume that as the call went through, it was disconnected. Therefore, there wasn't a duration.
Uthi ngiyaqala ngawo ukubona u-MOC ochaza ukuthi ucingo oluphumayo luhambisana nokuthi ke isikhathi sathathwa u-0. Lokho ke ubona ukuthi kusho ukuthi ke yathi le call ingangena yabe seke iyanqanyulwa.
Could the phone be off or on voicemail?
It wasn't on voicemail because it doesn't reflect a CF.
But le phone yayingekho ku voicemail ngoba ayikhombisi ibhale lapha u-CF.
Okay, let's proceed to page 101. Are you on that page?
101.
Yes, 15 January 2015, 6:12.
At 6:12:01, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 8 seconds and the tower picked up was Moy Street.
Ngesikhathi sika 06-12-01 le number igcina ngo-8169 yathola ke ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke isikhathi esilingana imizuzwana eyisishiyagalombili itower esetshenziswa uMoy Street.
And the call thereafter?
Thereafter, at 6:12:29, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 11 seconds from the number ending 7007, and Moy Street was picked up again.
So ngesikhathi sika 6-12-29 le number igcina ngo-8169 iyathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-11 beqhunywa le tower yase Moy Street.
15 January 2015 at 9:09:00.
Zero 9:00:57 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 15 seconds, and Joburg General was picked up as the tower.
So mhla 15 January 2015 the number egcina ngo-8169 isikhathi sika 09:00:57 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ethi egcina ngo-7007 bahlala imizuzwana eyi-15 itower ke esetshenziswa eJohannesburg General.
Still on page 102, the next call thereafter.
Thereafter, at 9:05:14 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 33 seconds, and the tower picked up was still Joburg General.
So ngo-09:05:14 le number igcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-33 kusasetshenziswa yona le tower okuthiwa uJohannesburg General.
Page 103, 16 January 2015 at 14:17.
At 14:17:45 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 27 seconds, and the tower picked up was Kensington.
So again, mhla 16 January ngesikhathi sika 14:17:45 seconds le number ke egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyi-27 ichaba eyayibaxhumanisa kwakuyi-Kensington.
Page 104, 17 January 2015 at 15:10.
At 15:10:54 seconds, there was an MTC to the number ending 8169. It lasted 108 seconds. It was from the number ending 5787, and Belgravia was the tower picked up.
So mhla 17 January isikhathi ngo-15:10:54 seconds le number egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number u-5 787 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu nesishiyagalombili lapho basebenzisa itower iBelgravia.
Okay, just to remind me, as per exhibit DD5B, that number is associated to who?
5787 Fisokule Ntuli.
So le number egcina ngo5787 kwakuyinumber kaFisokuhle Ntuli.
17 January 2015 at 2014.
That's on page 105.
Yes.
2014-49. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 14 seconds and the tower picked up was Holt Street.
So again, umhla 17 January, isikhathi ku-2014 49 seconds, nenumber egcina nge-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nane kusetshenziswa ke le tower ekuthiwa eHolt Street.
Again, as per exhibit DD5B, that number is associated to who?
7007 Fisokule Ntuli.
So le number ekuthiwa 7007 ekaFisokuhle Ntuli.
Can you confirm if these transactions of these two calls happened on the same day?
Yes, on the 17th.
Yebo, lezi ngcingo zenzeka ngosuku olulodwa mhla ka-17.
Page 105, 18 January 2015, 11:14.
Please repeat that.
18 January 2015, 11:14. MOC.
18 January.
Yes, page 105,
Okay. 11.
14.
The number ending 8169 at 11:14:16 seconds made an outgoing call to the number ending 7007, lasted 66 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 18 January, isikhathi u-11:14:16 second, le number egcina ngo-8169 yashaya ucingo eshayela le number u-7007 and bahlala ke imizuzwana engamashumi ayisithupha nesithupha besebenzisa itower iBelgravia.
On page 107, 20 January 2015, 10:25, MTC.
Ten 25:26 was a call 8169 received from the number ending 7007. It lasted 93 seconds and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
So mhla 20 January 2015, isikhathi ku-10:25:26, le number ke egcina ngo-8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana amashumi ayishagalolunye nantathu lapho ke kusetshenziswa itower iBelgravia.
Page 109, 22 January 2015 at 21:18.
21:18:14 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 10 seconds and Alexandra was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 22 January 2015 isikhathi 21 18 and 14 seconds. Le number ke egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana elishumi kusetshenziswa le tower iAlexandra.
Still on the same page, 22 January 2015 at 22:45.
22:45, 13 seconds. The number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 29 seconds, and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
So, mhla 22 January 2015 isikhathi 22:45 and 13 seconds. The number egcina 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nesishiyagalolunye. Itower ke esetshenziswa kuyiBelgravia.
Page 110, 24 January 2015 at 6:43 MTC.
At 6:43:01, the number ending 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007. It lasted 132 seconds, and the Belgravia tower was picked up again.
Mhla 24 January 2015 isikhathi 06:43 and 1 second. Le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu namashumi amathathu nambili besebenzisa ke le tower iBelgravia.
Page 112, 25 January 2015 17:41.
At 17:41:43 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 7 seconds from the number 7007, and the tower picked up was Belgravia.
Can I confirm the time?
17:41:43 seconds.
Ngomhla 25 January 2015 isikhathi 17:41:43 seconds. Le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala khona imizuzu eyisikhombisa kusetshenziswa ke le tower iBelgravia.
Still on page 112, 25 January 2015 at 19:26.
At 19:26:18 seconds, 8169 received a call from the number ending 7007, which lasted 24 seconds, and the Belgravia tower was picked up again.
So ngalo usuku lomhla 25 January 2015 isikhathi 19:26 and 18 seconds. The phone egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku 7007 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi amabili nane kusetshenziswa itower yaseBelgravia.
Page 113, top, 25 January 2015 at 19:44.
At 19:44:43 seconds, 8169 received a call from 1239, which lasted 67 seconds, and Belgravia was picked up as the tower.
Ngomhla 25 January 2015 isikhathi 19:44 and 43 seconds. Le number egcina ngo 8169 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi ayisithupha nesikhombisa kusetshenziswa iTower iBelgravia.
25 January 2015, 1947.
At 19:47:36 seconds, an outgoing call was made by the number 8169 to the number ending 1239. It lasted 23 seconds and Belgravia was picked up again.
So ngamhla 29 January 2015 isikhathi kwawo 1947 and 36 seconds. Lapho ke inamba egcina ngo8169 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba egcina ngo1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana yamashumi amabili nantathu kusetshenziswa iTower yaseBelgravia.
25 January 2015 at 2020.
At 20:38 seconds, the number ending 8169 received a call that lasted 19 seconds from the number ending 1239 and Belgravia was picked up again.
Kuthiwa ke ngamhla 25 January 2015 isikhathi kwawo 2020-38 the number egcina ngo8169 yathola ucingo oluvela ku1239 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyishumi nesishiyagalolunye kusetshenziswa yona le Tower yaseBelgravia.
Escort, my lord. We have almost reached the end of the day. It's 15:28. May we then proceed tomorrow? Just to also arrange what is going to happen tomorrow regarding the position of accused number 3. I understand that you must consult with a doctor or a nurse around 10:30 tomorrow.
Information that was relayed to me in the morning, but may I, however, confirm with him? Thank you. Thank you, my lord, for indulgence. He's instructing me that there's a sergeant that will be arriving at the prison facility there tomorrow. Unfortunately, he's unable to confirm at what time he's going to arrive, but he definitely says he does have an appointment for a consultation with him. And I've also been informed by my colleague, Advocate Baloi, that Mr. Krebengu will avail himself tomorrow.
So what happens to the session tomorrow?
Earlier on, when I spoke to Mr. Mngube, indicated that we may start a little late at around 11, because I don't think it's a serious thing that is going to.
What's wrong with his hand?
His hand, my lord. It's
What's
painful.
wrong with it?
He once had an operation because of a broken, fractured limb.
Fractured?
Fractured limb.
Limb.
I don't know what portion of the hand is this. Yes. But I know it's just a limb, my lord.
I see.
So because of the condition that he's staying in, the coldness, I think it's affected. So that's the reason.
So what should we do? We should start at 11.
May I request the court, my lord, to start the session at 11, just to give him a bit of time.
Okay. Are you available tomorrow, ma'am?
Yes, my lord.
You know what is this part?
This is It's a wrist, my lord.
It's a bicep. The one you say you don't know what it is.
Yes, my lord.
Tomorrow.